Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 50 says an important ingredient of the civil service is dash. An important ingredient of the civil service is dash. A. Hierarchy. B. Imbalance. C. Nepotism. D. Partisanship. And when we talk of partisanship, means no political inclination. Then B. Nepotism means discriminatory. The imbalance means unequality or egalitarianism. The hierarchy means order of command. So in civil service commission or in civil service parastatals, there is order of command ranging from the political class down to the administrative class, then down to the clerical class, and so on and so forth. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and share and subscribe for more videos.